Aloha everyone, it's Laura Palaio with Laura Palaio Total Fitness, and I am here today to show you the Ultimate Reset, which we are starting today. So I'm just going to pan through some of the foods that we're going to be eating over the next 4 days. You have options. We have oatmeal. We also have kiwi fruits along with organic plain yogurt and honey and frozen fruit for smoothies. I also enjoy Ezekiel bread. I like it because it is sprouted wheat, which means if you are kind of gluten intolerant, it's a great alternative. It does need to be kept in the freezer, however. For lunches, we have lentil lime salad. We're going to be making microgreen salad as well. And I've got some nori here for the sushi, which we'll be enjoying, I think, day 2 or 3. And then the first night's dinner is some salmon, which I have a fresh piece of salmon right there, fresh from the Pacific Northwest. We've got some asparagus and potatoes. And then I've got ingredients for stir fry for a few nights from now with coconut milk. Here is my salad dressing. I'm making the miso. The miso's in the refrigerator, but I'm making the miso garlic salad dressing. And we've got some black beans. I have the brown rice over there, corn tortillas, and guacamole. So as you can see, we're not going to be starving. Oh, and some kale. It's such a beautiful spread of food, and it's so healthy and nutritious, and I'm really excited to get going on this. I totally need to get cleansed. My head's been a little foggy, and I think I'm going to love it. So with that, I'll keep you posted, and you can follow our progress here at the April Ultimate Reset Cleanse Challenge group. Aloha.